Hey everyone, today we are going to make Paneer Crispy. For this I have taken 100 grams of fresh paneer and I have chopped them into square shapes. Then I am adding 2 spoons of maida, 1 spoon of corn flour, half a spoon of coriander powder, little bit of turmeric powder, little bit of ginger garlic paste, 1 spoon of raw chili powder, and finally little bit of salt. After adding all this, I am pouring little bit of water and I am going to mix it gently. After the paneer is completely blended with masala, leave it for 30 minutes so that it will get marinated nicely. Now the paneer is nicely marinated with the masalas. After that, I am taking the paneer pieces and dipping it into the breadcrumbs and placing it in another plate. Follow the same procedure for rest of the paneer pieces. In the meanwhile, I have preheated the oil in a medium flame for 15 to 20 minutes. Now we are going to fry all the paneer pieces. Make sure the flame is in medium so that it won't get overcooked. After it reaches the golden brown color, take it out from the oil and place it in another bowl. Finally, add some black pepper powder and mix it well. After all this process, your tasty Paneer Crispy is ready. Enjoy this with your family and friends and be safe. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.
இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்ததுன்னா ஃபேக்ட் பூமர் சேனலை லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க, சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க. கூடவே அந்த பெல் பட்டனையும் தட்டிடுங்க.